Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to equip multiple hairs on Roblox. First of all, you have to open browser and you have to now go to roblox.com. It will take you to the home page of Roblox. Now you guys have to tap on this menu button over here and just tap on this avatar. Now you have to enable desktop mode to use avatar editor. Tap on AA and tap on request desktop website. And guys, here you have to tap on head and body and go to here. Now you can see that right now I have already equipped one hair. If I'm trying to select multiple hair, it doesn't work. So how can I select multiple hairs? So just hold a new hair that you want to wear, copy the link address, open a new tab from here and paste your link address here and just copy the asset ID. Go back to avatar page and here you have to tap on this advanced link over here and just tap on asset ID and paste your link address here and just tap on save and save again, and your both hair will be selected. So if you want to wear 3 hairs or more than 3 hairs, you have to repeat the same steps. That's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.